Hi, welcome to WinTrader. Today we can check WinTrader 8.1 how working as positional market. In positional market, how successfully we can trade the positional trading with the WinTrader 8.1 software. So you all are know WinTrader have 8 versions. So far we updated 8 versions. WinTrader first version to 8.1 version. In this 8.1 version coming with 2 options. Means WinTrader 8.1 options and 8.1 normal templates. 8.1 options templates are usually using for the options trading. Nifty, Bank Nifty options is preferable. And 8.1 is normal other equity, cash, future or commodity, those all are selecting with 8.1 template. So in this version, 8.1 version, probably we are using positional trading for 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart will determine almost 1 month or nearby 2 weeks to 1 month trends of a stock that we will get from software. First of all, we have to do that we have opened 8.1 scanner version here. Scanner version, you can select as WinTrader Scanner 1.2. This is our updated scanner version. We will select a 1.2 scanner and we have to select the symbols into this market watch. Maybe 50 or 60 symbols you can add into market watch, and this scanner will support us to find out which is the good stock for this week or this month, that we can analyze from the scanner. This scanner will suggest you if any buy signal, buy trend or sell trend are going on, that we can understand from here. This just simple one means this buy trend. If the market is in buy trend, then it should be show as buy, and if it down trend, sell trend, then it will show sell. If any new signal generated after we open the software, if any new signal generated, which will alert here under this new signal generated dashboard, here it will show the stock's name, which stock generated that buy or sell. So it at a time will not show all the symbols, just one by one maybe it will show. So you will get proper time to enter the trade. The scanner exactly will help you to find out good stock, especially for the positional trading. Here I selected some stocks and I got some calls. For example, I selected some scripts also there. In bottom you can see DLF, Tata Steel, ITC and Reliance, like that. Several stocks I selected here. You can check those performance. For example, only I selected. The same thing will work for all the stocks. All the major stocks will give you the proper signals. Proper call generated only we have to execute the trades. So if any signal generated, always we need to check the confirmations, or those confirmations are matchable, then only we will enter the trade. So that we can check first. This is DLF chart 8.1 version is that. Now you are watching this DLF is coming with DLF. So in DLF the signal working a buy. Already the buy signal generated. The entry price was buy at 336.55. That signal generated on 22nd of this month, September. After these 2 days, it's working with the same buy. We get the buy at 336.55, and we get it's almost current profit and loss. You can see there current profit and 73 points are in profit now. All the targets are achieved, and after achieving the target we will get usual re-entry suggestions. So with that re-entry suggestion you can earn more profit without the risk. And if the previous signals you can check the previous sell signal, there previously the sell signal was generated, that sell was generated on this candle. But always how we can confirm a signal. If the signal generate, we need to check the bottom bar color, that is the first confirmation. If green buy signal generate, bar color must be green, price must be on buy zone, candlestick color should be green. If the 3 confirmations are same, then we can enter the trade. Here all the confirmation was matched with the next candle. And same if previous sell signal generated, we enter the sell at this point. After the sell signal, it's almost generated at 335.85 down up to 320 point something. 335.85, 335 to 320. Means almost 15 points is down. And there priorly the buy signal was generated. After this buy, it went up this much. The prior signal this here. Previous signal is sell signal, and the same if here the buy, because you can see that they're all previously the signal are generated with the confirmations only. If proper confirmations are generated, then only you have to enter the trade. Otherwise, we have to avoid the trade. This here all the previous signal you can check. This all are working perfectly. After that, there's a positional advantage of that positional trading is that we will get proper entry point at the exact level when a trend start. This is Tata Steel chart. Tata Steel performance also was good for these coming last few months. So because it was in a downtrend, it's a sell was it was too fall down. So it's risky was if for a short trade. It's a buy signal. The previous buy was this. So in between there was a buy trend show, but there was no confirmation. If the buy signal generate, need to get the confirmation as bottom below green, then only we will go with the buy. Otherwise we just avoid the buy. In this case we can't buy anything. It's again going down. Again we get the sell signal. I think today we get the sell signal again at 1278. So it's it's working with the same sell. You can see maybe at this next week it's working only with the sell only. So the previous signals are, you can check the sell, and here the buy, here the sell, here the buy. So those all previous signals working with. I think it's almost 5 or 3 means it's either you just check the dates. 3rd of July. It's not, maybe you get only 3 or 4 or 5 signal, but it's almost 3 months nearby the chart, nearby the signal. So that accuracy you can calculate with that. This is ITC chart. ITC also buy signal generated here. Right now there is a buy sell signal generated. Yes, today we get the sell signal, but so far it's not yet confirmed. So we can't do anything right now. Just exit. If you are in a position of buy, you can exit maybe. Otherwise you can hold. If you can take the risk, then you can hold also, because there is no confirmation for the sell so far. So the previous buy was there here. From there it started uptrend. Yes, exactly we get the buy here on this candle, but we get confirmation from here only, which means it's 207. It's almost 207 is the up starting buy trend. It's up to 245. It's nearby 40 points. It's exactly 38 points we get. The previous sell signal just before the buy, just before sell. So all the trends starting before that the signals are generating. This is the Reliance chart. Reliance in a good performance last week because it's buy signal generated on 16th of September. So we get buy at 2422.90. All the targets are achieved. It's almost 56 points in profit after the signal. It's coming with the same sell, previous sell signal here and the buy here also. The previous are very much interested, very much positive trends. And this is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, there is no much proper things. It's buy signal generated. Last buy signal generated 7715, and it's generated on 21st of September. It's 69 points in profit. Right now it's 69 points profit. So the previous buy signal was not confirmed because the bottom was not changed to sell. The previous signals are, you can see, these all the confirmation need to check. And this is ACC chart. ACC also right now it's sell signal generated, sell signal working. Sell and previous buy signal was not confirmed, and just before a buy sell signal was generated. It also before this downtrend started, it get the sell, and before the buy trend start, we get buy here. So these are the perfect signals. If the signal generate, the same time get the confirmation also. So it's a perfect match signal. You can definitely earn money from this kind of trade. And this sell signal also you can check. The signal same time get the confirmation in bottom here. So those signals will perfectly match, perfectly work there. That's the advantage. Here this is HDFC Bank. HDFC is a huge trend. Was in a huge trend in last week. The buy signal 1562 we get the buy 1562 it's 36 points are profit now so far. Now it's 1599 the current position. All the targets achieved, and we get a re-entry suggestion there at 1602, and if the market comes up to 1602 we can enter re-entry at target of 1620. So if you were exited the trade, then you can enter the trade with the next buy here. So HDFC will software suggest it's suggesting that it will go up on coming weeks. Idea is in a buy zone. Buy signal already generated. It's perfect signal. The signal generated same time confirmation also was there. Buy at 6.15. From there it's 5 because you all know the ideas, and after merging idea then also they can't resist in market. So but they are started by a good trend now last week. The software last week suggested exactly. So the buy signal generated on 1st of this September, still it's continue the buy. It's all from 5 points more with profit now in idea. It's very good to stock. Hope for the best for the next week. And this is Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel sell signal was generated. After that it's come down. The previous buy signal. Here the previous signals are, you can see this all. And Titan also the buy signal generated. It's a perfect signal it was, and the buy was generated on this candle. From there is up. The buy signal actually we get the buy at almost 1860, and it's up to 2148. 1860 to 2148. It's a huge trend it was. In Titan is a good trend, and the sell was generated but not matched exactly. Means the candle, you can check the candle color. That was not the red or green. Because it's blue, white, or those are the sideways market indication. The previous signals are like this. There's no proper confirmation. If the signal generate not more match now, then that we can't enter the trades. This is Zeal chart. Zeal last week's merging was there with Sony, so it went up from there onwards. It's actually the software suggests you to entry at 174. From there it's actually it's almost 361. It's up there. Right now it's 319. It's right now point is 145. Means it's nearby 200 points. Actually it's up there after the buy signal. Now it's going down, but it will go up. Definitely it will go up. You can continue that trades because there is no other signals are generated so far in software also. So it's continuing. So this is the position. Just for example, I selected some scripts and show you the same like it will work for all. So you can just check this software performance and with a live demo session for the positional as well as intraday. Both you can prefer with the software. Intraday also, you all know the software performance in intraday. You all watch several videos there. So in our YouTube channel, lots of videos are there. For a different experience, I selected some stocks and show you the positional performance. How is this working? So you can check those two. In live demo we will show you this all properly with you. So we'll explain you all properly. From the past 12 years we are in market. You all are know for 12 years we are in market still continue our service. So it's 8 version. Now we are going to update our 9th version. It's once it release, which will update you by free of cost. There will be no other charges. So for the existing clients only, you just come and join with us. We will get successful trader. We will help you for making good money. So other all support we are assuring you. You just check the live demo first. After the demo, if you satisfied only, you need to continue. So for the demo, you can directly contact us through mobile or WhatsApp. My mobile number is 9061308080. The WhatsApp number same, and otherwise you can go through the website www.wintradersoft.com. So that our official website, and www.wintrader.in, that also our website. So you can register there also. Your concerned salesperson will contact you. You can select there your needed language. So the same language person will contact you. So this is the thing. You just check the demo and satisfy. You can continue. Thank you for watching this video.